Today we shall study chapter 2, addition and subtraction. Okay, and exercise 2.1 based on addition of 4-digit numbers with 5-digit answer. This exercise 2.1, when we add 2 or more 4-digit numbers, we get 5-digit numbers. Okay, now continue. Exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Question number first. You add first 5395 plus 6347. Okay. Here you see that first number 4-digit number and second number also 4-digit number. Here we add 6347 to 5395. Here you see a ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, and here 10,000 place. Now first we add ones place digit 7 plus 5 12. Now we write 2 here and 1 carry. Now we add 9 plus 1 10 plus 14 4 14, 1 carry, 1 plus 3 4 4 plus 3 7, 5 plus 6 11. Okay, here you see that when we add 4-digit number 5395 and 6347, we get 5-digit number 11742. Okay, understand? Now we check it again. 7 plus 5 12, 9 plus 4 13, 1 14, 4 plus 3 7, 6 plus 5 11. Okay, understand? Now we solve next question. Question number 2. Here question number 2. 6075 plus 3987. Question number 4. 8450 plus 2755. 6. 9875 plus 555. 8 6 4 plus 4 plus 4, 6666 plus 4440. Okay. Now see here, in question number 2, both the digits 4 digits, 5 also 4 digits. In question number 6, first digit 4-digit number because it contains 4 digits, and second digit 3-digit number because it contains 3 digits 1 2 3 1. Okay, now we add it. 7 plus 5 12, 1 carry, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 8 16, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry, 6 plus 1 7 plus 3. Here also we get 5-digit number. 0 plus 5 5, 5 plus 5 10, 1 carries, 4 plus 1 5 7 12, 1 8 plus 1 9 plus 2 11. Okay, here also when we had 4-digit number 8450 and 2755, we get 11205. Okay, now question number 6. 5 plus 5 10. Okay, 5 plus 5, 10. 7 plus 5, 12. 13. 13, 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 9 plus 1, 10. Now we check it again, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 3, 1 carry, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10. We get 10,430. Here you see that we had 4 digit number and 3 digit number, and after addition we get 5 digit number, 10,430. Okay. Now question number 8. 6 plus 4, 10. 6 plus 4, 10, 1, 11. 6 plus 10, 1, 11. 11,110. Okay. Understand? Now we solve question number B of exercise 2.1. B, add question number 2, 897 plus 9,433 plus 4, 6,578 plus 4,309. 4,309. 6,543 plus 7,676. 9,876 plus 678. Okay. Now we solve question number 2 first. First we write the number in this way, 897. Then 9,433. We add 7 plus 3, 10. 9 plus 3, 12. 1 carry. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 3, 13. 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 4, 13. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 10,330. Now we had question number 4. 6,578 plus 4,390. 9 plus 8, 17. 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 4, 10. Okay. Now we check it again. 9 plus 8, 17. 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 4, 10. Now question number 6, 6,443 plus 7,676. Now add these two numbers. 6 plus 3, 9. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 carry. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 6, 12. 1. 7 plus 7, 14. 14,290. Now we solve question number 8. First we write the number in this way, 9,876, and below 670. Now we add it. 8 plus 6, 14. 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. And the 1 plus 8, 9 plus 6, 15. 1, 10. 10,554. Okay, understand? In this way we solve other questions of part B. Okay.
Sir.
Now we study exercise 2.2A, add 1 36,425 plus 22,530. Here, first we check the number have how many digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both numbers have 5 digits. So we called it 5-digit number. Okay. Now we add it. We add the ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay. Now first we add ones place digit 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, 6 plus 2 8, 3 plus 2. Okay. Now next question number 4. 36, 34, 1, 2 plus 32,000. Sorry, 3,26,237. Now we add it. 7 plus 2 9, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9, 6 plus 2 8, and 3 plus 3 6. Okay. In this way we add these type of questions. Now we solve question number 6. Question number 6. 56,709 plus 4,789. 4,789. Okay. And then 10. 6123. 62 plus 239518. 239518. Then we solve 14. 6 4 9 9 8 over 233 803 2645 plus 312 000. Now we add it. 16 3 0 0 0 6 8 4 9. Next 17, and in last 5 4 2 2 4 2 2 6 8. Okay. Now we add it. 9 plus 9 18, 1 carry. 8 plus 1 9. 7 plus 7 14, 1 carry. 6 plus 2 1 7 plus 4 11, 1 carry. 5 plus 1 6. 9 plus 9 18, 8 plus 1 9, 7 plus 7 14, 1 carry. 7 plus 4 11, 5 plus 1 6. Now 10. 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry. 1 plus 6 7 and 1 8. 5 plus 3 8. 9 plus 2 11, 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2 3 5. 6 plus 2 8. Next question number 14. You see here 1 2 3 4. 4 numbers are given. 4 numbers are given, and they are of different. They have different digits. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5. 5-digit number, 6-digit number, 4-digit number, and 5-digit number, and a 6-digit number. Okay. 3 1 2 0 0. Now here you also 6-digit number. Now we added 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 5 16, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 4, 14. 1 plus 9, 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. 2, 2 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13. 1 carry. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. Now 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Now we check it again. 8 plus 3, 11 plus 5, 16. 9 plus 4, 13 and 1, 14. 1 carry. 10, 10 plus 8, 18 plus 6, 24. 2 carry. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 1 carry. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 and 3, 6. Okay. Now we solve next question number 16. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 7. 15 plus 7, 22 plus 8, 30. 3 carry. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6, 14. 1 carry. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3. And 3 plus 4, 7, 5. Now we check it again. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 7, 22. 22 plus 8, 30. 3 carry. 3 plus 4, 7. 1, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. Now 1 carry. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7 and 5. Okay. Now we solve part B of exercise 2.2. Part B. Add two 3, 7, 8, 5. 5, 108, 4, 7, 8, 9, 1, 5, 0, 0, 6, 4. Okay. Now we add it. Before adding, we arrange the numbers in this form: 3, 7, 8, 5 plus 108 plus 4, 7, 8, 9 plus 1, 5, 0, 6, 4. Now we add 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 9, 22. 22 plus 4, 26. 2. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. 2. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. And 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 23,740. So now we check it again. 5 plus 8, 13 plus 9, 22 plus 4, 26. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 5, 13. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. Now we solve next question. Question number 7. Question number 7. 3, 2, 6, 5, 3, 2. 3, 2, 6, 5, 3, 2. Next number 5, 3, 8, 4, 9, 5, 5, 3, 8, 4, 9, 5. And 5, 6, 4, 3, 4. 5, 6, 4, 3, 4. Now we add it. First we arrange the number in this way: 32, 65, 32, 53, 84, 95, and plus 5, 6, 4, 3, 4. Now we add it. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 4, 11, 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 3, 16, 1, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 4, 14, 1, carry. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 6, 21, 2 carry, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 carry, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. Okay. In this way we solve other questions of part B. Now we solve question number 12. Number 12. 4, 3, 43, 56, 43, 56, 345. Next number 42, 45, 55, 67. Next 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we add 43, 56, 3, 4, 5 plus 42, 45, 67, 63, 4, 5, 6. Now we add it. 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 1 carry. 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 1 carry. 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, and 4. This is the required result. Now we check it again. 7 plus 5, 12 plus 6, 18, 1 carry. 5, 5 plus 6, 11 plus 5, 16, 1 carry. 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 1 carry. 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 1 carry. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 4, 6, 14. Now 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 8, and 4. Okay. Understand? In this way we solve other questions of part B also. Understand?